Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Citi for payment routing during insurance processes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Citi login page by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login form. In the login form, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check your entries for any errors. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the appropriate link for recovery options. Once you have verified your login details, click the Sign On button. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Look for the Payments section or tab in the dashboard menu. Select the option for Payment Routing or similar. Follow the prompts to input the necessary information for your payment. Review your payment details to ensure everything is correct. Submit your payment routing request by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message to ensure your payment has been processed. If you encounter any issues, look for the support options provided on the website. You can also log out securely by clicking the Log Out button at the end of your session. This completes the tutorial on logging into Citi for payment routing during insurance processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.